Hello, today we will learn how to make a jeopardy game by using Microsoft PowerPoint. In this purpose, first of all we need to prepare our jeopardy board, and for this one I'm going to use my first slide, and on the first slide set I'm going to click the subtitle part, and I'm going to use the click to the title part, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And go to insert and edit table. As a tutorial I'm gonna make it just the three category kind of jeopardy board, and let's assume that I will have a 4 row. Each row is gonna show each prices. Let's say I have 4 row, and I will make my format bigger, and in this case it's going to be easier to see. And for each of the, in order to make each of the cell blue, I'm gonna hit the shift button and select all cells and make all of them blue in order to make my board looks like a jeopardy board. So each of cases, for the first cells will represent my categories. So let's assume that my first categories will be sport, and second one is gonna be business, and third is gonna be news. Let's organize each of those. Again, I'm gonna use the shift button and select this three, make some changes, and in order to make some design on each of cells, I'm gonna go to the design part, the layout part, and then select the case I want to make it some change on them. You can go to home and make each. In order to now I want to make all the letters and all the words whatever I am writing on the board, make it a little bigger and see it's gonna be easier to see it. In this case I'm gonna select all the cells, and then whatever I'm gonna write on cells is gonna be pretty big. That's it. And I'm gonna add the prices. That is gonna be 100, 1000, and 10,000. So again, I'm gonna make each of those white, because as you remember, each of those colors is white, and then I'm gonna move them to middle. Okay, so it's enough for our example. So next step, I'm gonna open a new slide and prepare my question part. So for my question part, I'm gonna delete this part, and again use the title part of the slide set. And as you know that for my questions part, my questions board should be blue as well. So again, I'm gonna make my background blue, the jeopardy concept, and write my question. Let's assume that my question is gonna be the sport in which two teams compete each other, and each team consists of 11 players. And my question. Let's assume that these questions equal to 100. So for 100 I'm going to select the 100 and make highlight it and click right and go to hyperlink, and then between this 100 I'm going to create a hyperlink between this 100 to this question and select the sport slide and say OK. So I create, if you see that there is a underline under 100, it means that I create the hyperlink from 100 to my question slide. Before try what I created, so I want to go to my question and edit one text here and say that this question belongs to sport 100. So after answering this question I'm gonna click this part and then go back to my jeopardy board, main board. So I will highlight whatever I write here and make other hyperlink from this what I write here to the main menu. That's it. Okay. So let's try what we create so far. And this is my jeopardy board. I'm selecting 100, going to my question, and after answering my question I will go back and I will click the spot 100 and I will be able to go back my main board. So it's your homework to complete business and news part now. Create your own Jeopardy game and enjoy it. Thank you.